What's your name?
My name is Shivani.
It's look like Indian names. That's why I asked you. You are from India.
Yeah, I am Indian, but I live in Switzerland.
Oh. So can I ask you some question if you don't mind?
Oh, yeah, sure.
You are a model?
No,
So what did you do for living?
I'm doing nothing. Nothing.
Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad. Now I got it. You finished your graduation? That's good. And how long have you been Switzerland?
Mm, when I born, I live in.
What?
When I born, I live in Switzerland.
Oh my God. So tell me something about your country. I want to know. Give me some information about your country. You don't?
I cannot explain. Sorry.
Why? Because you are not from Switzerland, okay?
No, I'm from
You
Switzerland.
are blushing, you are liar. You are sweet liar.
No, 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 I'm not right.
Yeah, I can read your mind.
You read my mind.
Yes.